Guido with Politico. Just following up on some of the labor market talk earlier, monetary policy operates with long and variable lags. And I'm wondering how much you see being able to keep the unemployment rate from raising too much comes from the fact that you're starting to act now, and that's going to give people more room to run versus just the labor market is strong. And then also, if I could, following up on Nick's question, do you see today's 50 basis point move as partially a response to the fact that you didn't cut in July, and that sort of gets you to the same place?
So you're right about lags, but I would just point to the overall economy. You have an economy that is growing at a solid pace. If you look at forecasters or talk to companies, they'll say that they think 2025 should be a good year too. So there's no sense that the U.S. economy is basically fine. If you talk to market participants, I mean, business people who are actually out there doing business. So I think our move is timely. I do, and as I said, you can see our 50 basis point move as a commitment to make sure that we don't fall behind. So you're really asking about your second question. You're asking about July, and I guess if you ask, if we'd gotten the July report before the meeting, would we have cut? We might well have. We didn't make that decision, but we might well have. I think that's not. That doesn't really answer the question that we ask ourselves, which is let's look. At this meeting, we're looking back to the July employment report, the August employment report, the two CPI reports, one of which came, of course, during blackout, and all of the other things that I mentioned. We're looking at all of those things, and we're asking ourselves, what's the policy stance we need to move to? We knew it's clear that we clearly, literally, everyone on the committee agreed that it's time to move. It's just how fast do you go, and what do you think about the path forward? So this decision we made today had broad support on the committee, and I've discussed the path ahead.